Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in today's video we are going to know about the object and class, and till now we have understand static key, static buffer, string buffer, string buffer, string builder, and many more topics which all are important and related to your interview purpose also. So let's start about today's topic. And before going to start class and object, it's very important to understand, because in most of the 99% times they used to ask to fresher about the object and class, and this is very important also. Why important, I will tell you, because these things are related to your real life also. Okay, so I will explain everything one by one. Let's start. So a class in Java is a logical template. Okay, so whenever we are creating class, we are writing our logical things in the that. Okay, so we can say that this is logical template, okay, in Java. Okay, and to create object that share common properties and method, hence all the objects in a given class will have the same method or properties. What it means, we will discuss this also very soon. And it's saying that in every class, whatever object you are defining, all the objects have the same property. Okay, what is the meaning of same property here, we will also know that. And a class is like an object constructor or a blueprint for a creating object. Okay, so it's saying that class is like a object constructor, what it means, and it's like a blueprint. So let's understand these things in real life example. These are the official, you can say, these are the professional words to use for interview, and let's understand these things from the basic. Okay, so what is meaning of blueprint here? This is, see, whenever we are building car, it's not like we are just arranging the things and building the car. We are, first of all, we are making the blueprint. Okay, same like whenever we are creating project, it's not like we are just making all the things together and just build the project. No. Before starting anything, we are making the blueprint. On the basis of blueprint, we are making different projects, we are making different cars. Okay, let's say take an example. There are the two type of cars. Okay, you can take one car Hyundai also, and you can take one car any, whatever you're coming in your mind. Okay, you can take, but you will compare, both car have four wheels, both car have AC also, both car have accelerator, brake, clutch also. You can see cars are different. Okay, but they have the same property, like four wheels, they have AC, they have accelerator, brake, clutch also, they have on mileage. It may be different, but they have the properties same. Okay, see, like in you can say the example of class also. See, there is a 10th class. Okay, so in 10th class there will be many students. These all students will be like object. They all have some roll number, they all have some height, they all have some rank in class. Okay, but they have some common properties, like they have the, see, they are in the same class. Okay, and they have name. Okay, everyone has name. This is the name is their property. ID may be their property. They have different ID, but they have ID. This is because they are the part of this class. Okay, a outside person is not the part of the class, a teacher is not the part of class in the sense of the class and object. Okay, so you can say that this is a class, is the ninth standard is a class, and the student inside the class, okay, is an object, and every object has a property, say, means similar property. Okay, not same but similar property, you can say, like they have ID, they have name, they have dress. Okay, they have some rank in class. Okay, they have some talent in class. So these things. Okay, and let's understand through our that's example also. See, here we have defined one class here. Okay, class object, and in class we have passed some property, like they have name, ID, and the place from where they belong. Okay, and then we have what we have we have set the name. Okay, so how we have set the name? See here, void set name. Okay, and then string set name, name is equal to set name, st name. Okay, so what I have did here, take the name as a string and assign to another variable. So why here we are taking name as a string, okay, and assigning to different variables. Whatever variable we are going to declare, we will assign with them. Okay, same for the set place also. Okay, and we have did. Now this time to understand, like we have to display these things. Okay, so how we will display, like sys out name, ID, and place, whatever variables we have defined here, name, ID, place, we have put it here. Okay, and now this is our main class. Okay, class object underscore 14 class object. Here what we have did, you can see we have created objects. Okay, these are the s1 and s2 object in the same class. Okay, so these both object belong to the same class, and they both object have some property like name, ID, and place. Okay, so we are defining here their name, ID and place, and here what we have did, pointing class object and as object. Okay, so whatever object we have created, we are pointing those things. Okay, and then these are our objects. Okay, s1 is and s2 are two different type of objects, and we are assigning some property to both objects, like s1 dot id equal to 100, s1 dot set place India, s1 dot set name. Okay, same for this also. If I will time something else which is not belonging to that property, the property not belonging to that class will show error. Like see here, if you are writing s1 dot parents name, so it's not saying, because it's not only three property you can see here: place, display and set place. Okay, and you cannot find anything other than this. Okay, so I think you understand this now. Okay, so you cannot pass any different property in the same class. Okay, if means for object in the same class. Okay, and now we have s1 dot display, s2 dot display, and let's see the output. So run this one as a Java application, and see here we are getting here name A Kumar, ID 100, place India, name Avi Kumar, ID 101 and place India. So you can see it here. Okay, we have two different objects. Okay, like s1 and s2. Okay, this is the s1 property, s2, both have name, both have ID, both have place. So in class a different object have same property. Okay, these things are the very important and small things to remember while interviewer, because they can confuse you also in this thing, but these are the very important and basic things to understand. So that's all for today, and we'll see in next video. Till now, take care, bye bye.